Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping in today. I have my American Influencer Beauty Bundle, and this is known as AIA. I'm a little nervous for this one just because I'm not crazy about the brand this month. Sorry for the runny nose. It is now $38 a month. I did pay $34 for April, $38 I paid for May. It is a monthly box that started from bi-monthly to monthly, I think last September. You have access to new brands or influencers each month. This is basically a brand takeover box. Value of at least $100 each box, and they do donate $1 from each box to charity. Have my little blade here. Let's just open this up. So I know that it's Purlisse. That was easy to see. Be strong, be beautiful, be you. And here's the card for Purlisse. Purlisse, not Pur. Purlisse. So this is the card. Got a little sneak peek at the back, so you get, you know, a little bit about the product and all that good stuff. I don't know if I'm going to be happy with this box for $38. There's the product. I'm going to do the product that don't think really belongs in a beauty box, in my opinion. And I can see it from the card, and that is right here. Let me see if I can pick all three of these up right here. This first one is Watermelon Lemon Antiseptic Hand Sanitizer Mist. This is Papaya Turmeric. And then this one is Green Tea Ginger. They are, let me see, 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 ml. Oh, I have such a runny nose. I'm so sorry. I really don't think they belong in a beauty box. It's like when I got a palette in Drape Fit. It doesn't go, in my opinion. So retail value, these are $8 each. I would never spend $8 for this. You know, if that was in like a $2 bin, something like that, maybe. It says scented antiseptic hand sanitizer mist, and it lists the scents. You know, we all know what hand sanitizer is. I don't need to tell you. Let's see if we can get a scent out of these. Let's see. I can't smell the watermelon, and my nose is very stuffy right now. Let me see, papaya. Let's see what I smell here. Don't really smell much on that one. And what is this one? Green tea ginger. The ginger should be stronger. Yeah, I could smell both the tea and the ginger. I mean, I don't need them. And you know, while it's nice, I just don't need them. So, and I don't think they belong in a, you know, in any kind of beauty box, whether it be makeup or skincare. I just don't, my opinion. I'm not a huge fan of Purlisse, but I figured, you know what, I haven't tried any of their products in a long time, because I would every time pick another brand before I would pick this brand. But I let the box, I didn't, you know, skip the box or cancel and re-sign up. I don't, you know, do all that stuff. At best, I can share with my sister or put things in giveaways. This is the coconut oil and turmeric silk body butter with a value of $24. That's 6 ounces, 174 grams. That's a pretty big tube. Treat yourself by awakening your skin with this super smooth, silky body butter for all skin types. This full body spa treatment smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes, while the turmeric helps reduce inflammation. Well, I did know that. The fruit extracts also promote elasticity, clarity, and skin suppleness to keep your skin looking and feeling better. Oh, I might use that. Like after the shower, you know, my legs, it has a, oh, I can smell right through that. That has a safety seal on it. You never know. I might use it. That might come in handy in the summer. You know, your legs, your arms, your elbows, just, you know, like it says, all over body. Might not be as disappointed as I thought, but, oh, sounds nice. I don't think I tried anything pineapple. Are they all pineapple? No, not all of them. Okay. So right here, This is the Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel, $18 value. Reveal brightened and supple skin after one wash. Our Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel gently removes makeup and impurities without stripping skin of its natural oils. Well, that's very important. I like that. Enriched with pineapple, which is loaded with vitamin C, lemon, camu, and aloe vera. This not only purifies pores and improves skin texture, it also works beneath the surface to fight free radicals, reduce skin damage and inflammation, and improve signs of premature aging. Bonus, it smells so good you'll be looking forward to this part of your skincare routine. Okay, let's open that up. So let's see what you look like. This is what the tube looks like. Very nice. I'm sure they have safety seals. Oh, I can smell the pineapple right through that. Love pineapple. I feel like I'm back in Hawaii when I went to Hawaii years ago, but oh, I love that. Let's see what the next one is here. Purlisse Pineapple Bright Gel Cream. The cleansing gel is $18 if I didn't say that. The gel cream is $24. Brighten and rejuvenate dull-looking skin with our Pineapple Bright Brightening Gel Cream. This lightweight, oil-free gel cream is enriched with active ingredients like pineapple, vitamin C, camu, and aloe vera to calm inflammation, deliver intense moisture, visibly improve signs of aging, and purify pores. What else does it say? Use daily as part of your morning and nightly routine for a healthy, supple, and soft complexion. This is what the tube looks like. Let's see if we can smell pineapple through this seal. Yeah, you can see it had all safety sealed, and this is 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 ml. And this is 3.4 ounces, 100 ml for the gel. So far, so not so bad. Still not thrilled with the hand sanitizer. And last but not least, right here is matcha green tea and lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. Maybe $35 value. Let's take this out and then I'll read what the card says and I'll tell you the ounces. 1.8 ounces, 50 grams right here. Let me see if I can. It just smells spa-like with the matcha and lemon, green tea, lemon. So right here. So that is renew and refresh your skin with our matcha green tea and lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. Packed with green tea, lemon, white clay, and white tea, this mask will pull out impurities more than a cleanser could, leaving your skin brightened, purified, smooth, and silky soft. Use this mask before moisturizing and makeup for a smooth, supple canvas that easily absorbs nourishing properties. Apply this 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. I don't know if I would do that kind of mask 2 to 3 times a week, maybe twice a week. Willing to try. I don't think I've tried their mask. I think this sounds good. The coconut oil and turmeric silky body butter. I'm not unhappy with that. And I love these. The pineapple cleansing gel and gel cream. What they should have done was one of these should have been pineapple. But watermelon, papaya, and green tea. And Patches is going to bark, 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 bark. So that is the AIA Beauty Bundle for May. I thought it was going to be a lot more disappointed than I actually am. Could have done without the hand sanitizer. I would have rather had another like pineapple product, something like that along those lines. I'll pop up the value of the box. And then we can see, I'm sure they met their $100 just because we have 3 things right there. The 70, 85, and then 20. That's 105, and then each one of these is 8. So, you know, we're above it. So they did meet their promise. And it says Purlisse Beauty through Asian Wisdom. And there are all the products. Did you get this box this month? If not, what do you think about it? I'm like 90-10. I like it 90% and 10%. I'm like, could have done without it. I don't think I would have missed anything if I didn't get this month. You know, it seems like we've been getting quite a bit of skincare, you know, cleansing gel, and then an oil-free gel cream. And it's good for all skin types. This, it says oily combination, normal, even, sensitive for this, the gel cream. So that pretty much is everyone. I don't know why they just don't put all skin types, but maybe one of them is missing. And then the mask is good for oily combination, normal, and even, sensitive. So right there we have some, you know, decent products. I will give some of them a try. I probably will try them all, actually. I mean, this one I'm going to have to think about, just because me and clay masks don't always work together too well. But I might try, like, do a little patch test and see. Sometimes they're just way too drying for me personally. I tend to have a little bit more drier of skin type. But, you know, I'll give it a try and see what I think. I appreciate all you watching. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.